Meet the Latitude Gem Visa, a credit card that blends everyday spending with the big ticket flexibility. Spend $250 or more and enjoy up to 6 months interest free. Smaller purchase get up to 55 days interest free too. But here's the catch. There's a 10 Australian dollars 0.95 monthly service fee if you carry any balance. That's a 130 Australian dollars a year. And rates can skyrocket to nearly 30% if you don't pay it up on time. You also find a 3% foreign transaction fee and 45 Australian dollars late payment charge. It supports Apple, Google, Samsung Pay, and you can get up to 9 extra cards. If you're disciplined, avoiding interest, this card could save you money. But sleep up, and the fees and rates can bite hard. Latitude Gem Visa. Powerful in the right hands, risky in the wrong ones.